So today we're going to diagram sentences with adjectives and adverbs. And remember, an adjective is a word that describes a noun or a pronoun. Articles, a, and, the, are special kinds of adjectives. And an adverb is a word that describes a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. So if you look at your example, they show you how to work through this. But we're just going to go ahead and start with number 1. So our directions say, circle the adjectives in each sentence, underline the adverbs, then diagram the sentence. So we're going to go ahead and circle the adjectives. So in sentence number 1, you have the article the, and you know from up here that it's a special kind of adjective, so you go ahead and circle that. And young describes girl, so that's also an adjective, so you'd circle that. And then you want to underline your adverb. And remember, an adverb describes a verb. So well describes sings. So you go ahead and underline well. So then to diagram, you have to pick out your subject and your verb. So your subject in the sentence is girl, and your verb is sings. So you'd write out girl, sings. And then you have to put what modifies underneath. So underneath the girl, which is your noun, are your adjectives. So you'd have to put the and young. And then what modifies sings is your adverb, which is well. So you put well over here under sings because she sings well. Okay, let's do number 2. So remember, we're circling our adjectives. So we have another article, the. So we'd circle the. Red describes kangaroo. So we'd circle red. And then we have to look in here. Sometimes we won't have an adverb. And kangaroo hops, that's your noun and that's your verb. So we don't have an adverb in this one. So we won't have to pay attention to that. So to diagram this, we need to go ahead and put our subject here, which is kangaroo. And our verb, which shows action, is hops. So hops would go here. And then underneath our subject, we need to put our adjectives. So we have our article, the. And then we'd have our other adjective, which describes the kangaroo's color, which is red. Okay, so there's the first 2. And that's how you diagram adjectives and adverbs.